This is OPPO A3 and today I'll show how you can use the screen recorder on the smartphone. So, in the beginning, you will need to launch the control panel, then unfold it or expand it all the way and look for the screen recording tile. Tap on it to start screen recording, or either to launch this shortcut which allows you to start the screen recording, so tap on this button to start it. Then you can pause your screen recording if necessary. You can mute or unmute system sounds, or decide what sound source you would like to record from, record system sound and or record microphone sound. Then you can finish the recording by pressing this tick button. Now, if you'll go into your device's settings, enter the additional settings category, then open the screen recording, you can also find the screen recording settings and therefore you can change them right over here. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.